Hey there, class. This is Mr. Wolf, and bringing you lesson 15 of our multiplication and division unit. And we're going to be talking about today solving division problems using a variety of methods, especially the skip counting strategy. So let's get right into it. I've got a word problem right here, and it says Greg has 63 chocolate chips. He put 9 chocolate chips on each cookie he bakes. How many cookies did Greg bake? All right, so the way that we think about this is I got 63 chocolate chips, and that is Greg has them. He's going to put 9 chocolate chips on each cookie. I want to know how many cookies he can bake that are chocolate chips, that are chocolate chip, okay? So there's a number of ways that we could think about this. We could think about this as a tape diagram. We could also think about this as a number bond. So let's set it up both ways, okay? So we know that there's 63 chocolate chips. So that's my total. So if I did a number bond, I got 63 as my total. Okay? Now I know that 9 chocolate chips are going to go on each cookie. So here's a cookie with 9 chocolate chips in it. But the problem is that I don't know how many groups there are going to be. I don't know how many cookies there are going to be, okay? So in each question mark number of, I would say, groups. And the name of my groups is cookies, right? How many cookies? That's my groups. That's my groups. So we got 63 chocolate chips. I put 9 on the first cookie, 9 on the second cookie, and so on. And I want to know how many cookies I'm going to have in all. Okay, so that's one way to set this up. And now the question becomes, well, how many cookies can I make? Excuse me. Now this is a number bond. Let's do a tape diagram, what that would look like. So I know the total of my tape diagram. Here's my tape diagram. Is going to be 63, right? And on the first one, there's 9. But I don't know how many groups. I don't know about this, right? I don't know how many boxes I need to have in there. Okay? So that's where skip counting is going to be a great strategy to put in, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to skip count, since we already have 9, right? So we're going to skip count by 9s until we get to 63, okay? And we want to stop at 63 because that's our total. 63 is our total. I can't go beyond 63. I only have 63 chocolate chips, so that's as far as I can go. All right, so down here, let me model my skip counting. We got 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Nice. Okay, we got to 63. I ended on 63. Now the question is, how many 9s is that? How many 9s did I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. So here's what my equation looks like then. I had 63 chocolate chip cookie. Oh my goodness. 63 chocolate chips, right? I shared them equally with 9 chocolate chips on each. I wanted to know how many cookies that makes, which becomes 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Because it would make 7, it would take 7 cookies with 9 chocolate chips on each for me to get to 63. The first cookie has 9, the second cookie has 9, the third cookie has 9, the fourth cookie has 9, the fifth cookie has 9, and so on. But then when I add it all together, multiply it all together, divide it all together, 63 chocolate chips on 7 cookies. So that's basically saying I've got 7 cookies, 9 chocolate chips are on each. That's 63 chocolate chips altogether. Great. So we found the answer to the first one. That's making a number bond and a tape diagram and using skip counting as our strategy to solve division problems. All right, great. Let's move on to our second and final word problem. It says Mr. Wolf has 28 students going on a field trip. He wants the students split up into 7 equal groups. How many students will be in each group? So 28 students going on the field trip, okay? He wants the students split up into 7 equal groups. Boy, I'll tell you what, that just tells you right there, equal groups. Oh, that's going to be a multiplication or division problem, right? How many students will be in each group? Wow. Those are big key words, right? Whenever we're reading our problem, those are key words that we want to look for. Okay, so what do I know? I know the total. 28 students in all, right? That's the total number of students going on the field trip. I've got 7 groups, right? I don't know how many in each. So my equation is going to look something like this. It could be 7 groups of blank equal 28. Or it could also look like this. 28 divided by 7 equals question mark. All right, let's draw a picture. Let's draw a picture of this. Okay, how do I want to draw a picture? Let's first do a number bond, and then we'll do a tape diagram. What's going on, Andrew? I'm making a video real quick, so sorry, I didn't know that you'd be here. Okay, anyway, so we're going to draw a number bond to solve this multiplication and division problem. It is going to be like this. Okay, so we know the total is 28. So we'll put 28 up here. And I know that there's going to be 7 groups. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll put 1 over here, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's what my number bond looks like, right? I don't know how many goes in each, though. I don't know how many goes in each. And then here's what my tape diagram would look like. Okay. I got 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups, right? 7 groups. And I know the total is 28. But I don't know how many goes in each, right? Okay, this is where skip counting can really help us out, right? Okay, so let me show you the strategy again. We've got 28 students. 7 are in each group. Or excuse me, there are 7 groups. So let's count by 7s until we get to 28. And we'll find out how many times it takes us to count to it. 7, 14, 21, 28. How many times did it take me to count up to 28? That's right, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. It took me 4 times to count by 7s all the way to 28. So that means 4 goes here, 4 goes here, 4 here, right? And so on. So that means there's 4 in each group, okay? So that means, where you're writing it as a division and multiplication, 7 groups of 4 is equal to 28 students altogether. And then 28 students split equally into 7 groups makes 4 students in each. So my answer is 4. All right. So that's how you use skip counting as a strategy to solve multiplication and division problems. And then we got our pictures right here that also match the word problem as well. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you're doing the exit ticket and solving both of those word problems on your own. Do your very best. Have a good day.